Thank you. A very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to acknowledge and welcome our special invitees today, starting with our chief guest of the afternoon, Chandrasekhar of Cognizant Technology Solutions, Executive Vice Chairman. Thank you, Chandra, for honoring us with your presence here today, and we are all very eager to hear you. I'd also like to welcome Mr. Ramraj, who's been was an independent director on our board, but more importantly, he's been a wonderful guiding light for me personally. And during the journey when we were really strapped up for vitamin M, Ramraj was the person I turned to, and he was really helpful. Thank you, Ram, for being here. We have Dorai Todla, who has been trying to inspire me to turn a techie for about 30 plus years, but has failed miserably though. But I always look up to him. He's been a wonderful source of inspiration for us and as a mentor to all our technology folks as well. We have our investor Krishna Ramanathan from Fulcrum Ventures and his wife Sashi. Krishna, thank you for placing faith in our journey, and we have reached a landmark milestone which validates your faith in us. We also have several other people who helped us in this journey. One significant person, Rajendran, is here from India Cements, a personal friend. And then we have 4 of us who have journeyed together for 25 years, and full of mutual support and mutual criticism whenever the situation demanded. And I am very, very happy to welcome them. VC, Jagan, Rabindranath. And equally importantly, our spouses, Lakshmi, Sharda, and Vinita. Indu is not here. So special thanks to all the spouses for having put up with our adventure. It's been an adventurous journey. There have been several instances set apart by a few years where we will actually bring home no bacon, so to speak, no salary, half salary, quarter salary. All that has been par for the course, and they've been wonderful in being patient with us right through this journey. So once again, thank you for being here, all of you, and thanks to all the congruenters for being here as well to make this afternoon a memorable one. First and foremost, I would like to say that this particular, Chandra was asking me, do you guys have this every year? I said, yes, we do, but not on a scale and grandeur like this, and certainly not with star personalities like himself being part of the evening. But today has been a very special celebration because of the milestone that we have crossed in the recent past, and not the least of which was thanks to the support from Cognizant in this journey. So for the benefit of everybody else, I think the congruenters know this, but I thought I'll do a quick recap. Being a services company, we started digging deep in the pension domain right from the time we set foot in the US. Our very first customer in 2000 was from the defined contribution domain, and we learned a lot in both from a technology perspective as well as the domain perspective in a 4-year engagement with them that emboldened us to take the next step of offering KPO services into that market, which we call BSS internally. And that has basically helped us get deeper and deeper into the domain with some of our people being certified in the domain in the US. So a combination of technology depth and width as well as business domain knowledge got us involved in the pension domain much more than a normal company would have. We joined a body called the SPARC, Society for Pension Administrators and Record Keepers in the US. And San Asuti, our executive VP of the US, quickly went on to being on the board of SPARC. He's been there for the last 6 years. And SPARC is like NASSCOM for software services here, for tier 1 companies, providers in the US. So one of the things that we heard constantly during our interactions with CXOs of tier 1 companies was the fact that this industry was hurting for a enterprise-wide technology platform. I mean, they call it Record Keeping Plus platform, almost like an ERP solution for the defined contribution flavor of pension providers. And sometimes fools jump in where the wise men may choose to exercise caution. So we were those fools. We said we will be the guys who will come and change the industry, build this new generation platform which will change the way this industry operates. And we embarked on this journey 4 years ago. It's been a long, arduous, tough journey. I think if somebody were to ask me about building a product in the enterprise space, I would say it is not for the weak-hearted, for sure. But I think it's definitely been a wonderful 4 years. We've actually come very close to the finish line a couple of times. And those two finishes, which were, we ended up being number 2, nevertheless gave us clear evidence of the fact that we had something special to offer to this industry. I mean, to finish in the top 2, twice in both cases, top 10 providers in the US was no mean achievement. And one of the reasons we didn't make it in one of them was the fact that we were not big enough. And that was the time, I think Ram was on our board, with advice from the right quarters, we reached out to tier 1 providers. And I'll take a small pause here and welcome Sudha Ravi. Thank you, Sudha, for being here. She is the proverbial Pulyar Shuri putting person for Congruent. 25 years ago, when Congruent Software was formed, she was the director in charge and she started it. Unfortunately, today, her brother, who continues to be the chairman of our board, Arun Sarathi, could not join us. He's in the US right now. But Sudha, thanks for being here. So, coming back to the story, so we felt that we could actually build that platform. And, we had this validation from a couple of top 2 people. And we didn't cross the finish line because we didn't have a strong, let's say, strong financial backing, good P&L and balance sheet and so on. And we went out to look for a partner. And Chandu, thank you for being here. Chandu Nair, another well-wisher of ours. And if all of you have read The Alchemist, the Brazilian author Paulo Coelho says, if you pursue a dream with passion and sincerity and work consistently towards it, the universe conspires to get you to your dream. And I think this Cognizant partnership was one of those universe conspirations which actually happened. We reached out. It so happened that one of the 2 people who did not vote in our favor, the tier 1 providers, happened to be a Cognizant client. So when we reached out, the insurance vertical team in Cognizant already knew about us. And they really took us seriously, this approach. They dived into the details of the product and they felt that this is a product worthy of their partnership. And Chandra, thanks to your team, we formed a wonderful alliance about 2 years and more now. And I must tell you that one of the most pleasurable things working with Cognizant is the fact that all of us sit around the same table as equals. There is no big brotherly attitude. No, there are people telling us, hey, we've been here, we will tell you what to do. Nothing of that sort. We are all in it as a team. The Raju, Altaf and the back-end team works with the India team here, and San and the field force work with the account management and client partner team in the US. But as far as the customers are concerned, they see us as one entity. And I think that is the most significant factor that helped us cross this current milestone, which I will also summarize quickly in 2 lines. Recently, about 6 weeks ago, we signed on the dotted line together, Cognizant and Congruent, for a top 5 retirement provider account in the defined contribution space. So at the end of this implementation, we'll have 3 million participants being leveraged by our platform, and a tier 1 provider of name and reputation that is a marquee name in the industry, and as a reference. And I think the future only holds us, the future is something that's looking bright thanks to this first win. And once again, I would like to end saying that, these employees of Congruent who have been through this journey, the last 4 years, have been steadfast in their support. I think there are a lot of doubts raised from various quarters, some internal, some external, questions raised whether, should we be addressing the US market? Shouldn't we be going to markets like Asia and Africa where it's easier to sell an enterprise solution? And some people said, don't start with the tier 1. You start at the lower end of the market because it's an easier sale. In spite of all these questions, we said that we would like to climb Mount Everest first, then the other mountains can come. So we've actually stood very, very rigid in our strategy of going for the tier 1 market. And I think the patience and perseverance has paid off thanks to Cognizant support. So, and all the employees, thank you for being here and supporting us through this journey. But the journey has only begun. I think we have, kind of entered, past the finish line of lap 1 and 2. But the semifinals and finals are beckoning, where we are barely at the start line. So we have to do well going forward, execute well, and I think rosy days are ahead for all of us. Thank you again, and once again a warm welcome to all of you, and thanks for joining us.